I will now demonstrate to you how to incorporate a bracket when designing an anchor channel according to the European technical approval with the aid of the Jordahl expert software. A typical facade connection is considered using a bracket and an anchor channel fitted to the front face of the floor slab. The design software allows the loads of the bracket to be entered directly when specifying the loads. The program then determines the loads on the T-bows, taking all eccentricities into consideration. It is possible to select an appropriate element to attach via this drop-down menu in the menu bar. In this case, a bracket attached to the front face of the slab is selected. Once the position has been created in the project management, the properties of the anchor channel are selected in the Channels and Bolts section. In this case, only the anchor channel length is adjusted in contrast to the default settings. The concrete properties and the component geometry are entered in the next step. In this example, the concrete strength is C3045 and the anchor channel is situated in a cracked concrete. All other boundary conditions can be adopted as proposed. In the Loads and Bracket Dimensions section, all geometrical boundary conditions are then specified. After entering the bracket parameters, the loads are specified. The usual wind loads can be taken as 18 kN per connection. The facade dead loads are adopted at 3 kN. After pressing the Results button, possible anchor channels and their utilizations are displayed in the Results overview. In this example, a JTA W5030 and a corresponding T-bolts are selected. All input data and verifications can be examined in the result log. The input data for the bracket and the determined loads on the T-bolts are displayed on the third page. Then the pressure point of the bracket on the concrete surface is shown. In order to document the results, this log is integrated in the structural analysis of the building as a whole and may be submitted for examination. More tutorials and information on anchor channels can be found on our website at www.jordahl.de.